Yes.
That's it. Stop it. Be a good boy. Yes, I know. Is that right?
Before you say anything, I didn't forget.
Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Permanent damage by the time I got back.
Really?
The hair had broken loose. Could it really be
Oh
so
goodness.
bad?
Oh my God.
Yeah, down to the hospital with Doug and Victoria.
Is that what he said?
Actually, all right.
Sorry, it's just.
Oh my
such a
God.
shock.
He's a bad boy.
But what am I thinking? This is supposed to be a good night.
Oh my God.
All right. Maybe next time we should have.
It's awful, isn't it?
Bit too realistic.
I'm so sorry.
He's just a fucker, isn't he?
Oh, cool.
Oh my God.
It was fantastic.
Oh Jesus.
Even if I wasn't interested.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Did you tell him to fuck off? Hello. Did you tell him to fuck off?
What are you doing?
I walked in and found it like this.
Was there anything missing?
Is it?
The gun.
Hello.
Huh.
Hello.
It's impossible.
Take a look. If they find out it was used on Robert, the police could trace it back here.
You can't seriously think this
Fuck
was
off.
one of us.
We stay calm and work out what the hell we're going to tell them.
You shut up.
Emily is back at 7 on Monday.
You shut up.
At 9 o'clock tonight, Piers Morgan will be chatting to John Lyon.
You shut up.
Johnny Rotten from Sex
You shut up.
Next, though, it's back to Coronation Street.
Hello. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. You fuck off. You shut up.
Back to watching games.
You enough. No, fuck off. You fuck up. No, you fuck off. You fuck off. You shut up.
Register now at stv.tv/player for the full
Oh,
experience.
you fuck off.
Finding your perfect hardwood or laminate
You're mental.
has never been easier with direct flooring.
Hello, cheeky bunny.
Online or in-store today, and you'll see over 100 floors to choose from, and all at brilliantly low prices.
What's your hello, Ozzy?
Looking for today at direct flooring, in-store and online.
Hello, Ozzy.
On warfarin. Tired of waiting?
Are you a good boy?
Now you can test yourself at home or away with Coagucheck.
Hello, baby.
For more control over your life. Alec likes to make the most
Hello.
of the sunshine. What could you be doing?
There's a cheeky bunny. Aye, Parrot. I know that. Parrot. Oh, big Parrot. Oh, God's sake, I know.
Find out how it could transform your life. Get set for new August.
Oh, I know. Oh, Jesus. Hello, Ozzy, clever boy. You're a Parrot. You fuck off. Oh, you're brilliant, honest to God. Oh, you're funny boy. Yes, he's a funny buddy.
This is.
Oh, he's a funny buddy.
It's having an amazing.
Oh my God.